Are you planning to start a dropshipping business? That's a great move. But, like any venture, it's not without pitfalls. With this in mind, we've identified 7 common errors you'll want to avoid. So, let's dive into the 7 mistakes you should avoid. The first mistake is choosing the wrong products. It's crucial to select items that resonate with your target market. Understanding the market and your audience's needs can make all the difference. So, choosing the right product is the first key to success. The second mistake is not having a clear niche. Having a clear niche in a crowded marketplace is like having a compass in a forest. It guides your business decisions, helps you stand out, and attracts your ideal customers. In other words, know your niche and stick to it. The third mistake is neglecting customer service. This is not just about resolving complaints, it's about creating memorable experiences that build loyalty and enhance your reputation. Superior service can turn first-time buyers into lifelong customers. Remember, customer service is key to your business's success. The fourth mistake is overpricing products. Setting prices too high can deter potential customers and hamper loyalty. In the competitive e-commerce landscape, overpricing can be a death sentence, driving customers to more affordable alternatives. So, competitively price your products to attract and retain customers. The fifth mistake is ignoring marketing. Marketing is the lifeblood of any e-commerce business. It's your key to reaching potential customers and driving sales. Without it, your great products might just gather digital dust. Remember, marketing your products effectively is crucial to increasing your sales. The sixth mistake is failing to establish a brand. A strong brand identity is crucial for customer recognition and loyalty. It differentiates you from competitors and fosters a sense of trust among consumers. So, building a strong brand is essential for your business's growth. The seventh mistake is inadequate product research and testing. Skipping this critical step can lead to dissatisfied customers and damaging reviews. You risk selling poor quality items or products that are not in demand. Therefore, thorough product research and testing are crucial to ensure customer satisfaction. To conclude, these are the 7 common mistakes to avoid when starting a dropshipping business. From choosing the right products, finding your niche, to prioritizing customer service, pricing, marketing, brand establishment, and product research. Remember, avoiding these mistakes can significantly increase your chances of success in the dropshipping business. For more tips and freebies, visit billycolbertusa.com.